So, this is not my day 3 of Robux. That's for another time. So let me check my my. I'm going to play. Don't tell me if I play this to impress, but let's play 99 in the forest. Yeah. Sorry, I'm using my piece of Wi-Fi thing, and it's really ugly. And I didn't get one, but I just only got 3 subscribers, and my videos got to 732 viewers. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, my name is this one. Yeah, yeah, this is my name. Yeah, don't. Yeah, I just fake boy and Brookhaven. Yeah, I fake boy. And you. Oh my god, why I'm doing this? And this is not my account. This is my. I just stole this from another person's account. It let's go. I don't want to go to please do it because I'm literally bored. So we're going to play now is mm, build a bridge battles. And my friend here named I forgot to Duday, my sibling. Yeah, my sibling is here, and she is going just seeing some random things like 99 in the forest. Oh my god, my piece of Wi-Fi is ugly. Now I need to freaking wait my freaking Wi-Fi just to load. To just to meet one. No, why just to impress is here now? So I'm gonna show you my things in my phone. Yeah, my things in my phone. First thing here. Yes, sorry guys. I do this and don't check my Facebook things. And this is only I can do. Yeah. And I love making videos here, but I'm not gonna test it out because it will. And this is my AHA games. It's so fun. It was like Block Blast. I didn't even download Block Blast. And now I'm going to. Yeah, I have Roblox. What I said. Yeah, I just only have one, 2 games. Yeah, 2 games. Cause why? I deleted my TikTok account. Yeah, just joking. I don't have a TikTok account. Don't talk about that. But let's go to the my YouTube, and then guys, yeah, it's here. Then you go to my videos. It's taking so long. Yeah, my videos, and then I got in this video. And then it was like 1 day ago, and I got 732 views. And then, guys, this is my wall hop. And I just only click it because it doesn't wait till I click my sibling click it and she didn't. And day one Roblox is just 5 views, and day two Roblox only so many views, bro. Yeah, let's. Oh my god, it's so noisy, my ears. But I didn't go to live view. No, I don't want to get my views, but yeah, I only do this. Just I don't have draft things here. Yeah, this was the oldest. So, yeah, I think it's not the oldest one, but popular one. Okay, guys, that's all for my things and my screen lock picture. Yeah, it's cute. And bye bye. See ya.